guess we better get back to camp.
Maybe he's gonna come right at us. He's gonna come right at us. I've never seen the deer get so close.
Well, we're over at the falls here, and we have Chef Victor cooking us a nice little feast.
And those people behind us are going to run right up on that thing right in the middle of the trail almost by the time they get there.
Yeah.
Dude, we are like right here. I thought she'd be a lot meaner with us this close.
Yeah. I think we're downwind there.
Unbelievable. She looks up from right. Well, we won't run, but we'll get out of here.
Yeah.
We should probably start walking, I guess.
Yeah.
Man, this is way too close for comfort, especially going with cubs.
Even climbing a deer, climbing it fast too.
Hey, what's up with that? You must have found something.
Well, that thing can really climb a tree.
Yeah, it can.
How big it is?
Not faster than me. Hey, thanks, I missed that. I can't see him now, can you?
No, he's way up there.
Look at him go, man.
He's climbing a machine.
Look at that sucker.
He's high too, that's like 100 feet. He's taking pictures of what? What's he doing?
I don't know.
Going back up.
Fresh bear sign. Bear poop. Been eating berries. Smell that, Vic. Tell me how old you think that is.
You want to stare at the crap?
Well, I just wanted to point out the signs of bear in the area. We might be seeing another one. So be on the lookout.